Do you know you can listen to song with someone on Spotify? Yes, this is actually a new feature on Spotify that allows you to listen to song with someone else, be it your friend, your family members, your partner. Especially if you are in a long distance relationship, you can listen to song with someone else using just your Spotify account. So guys, let's dive right into the video and let me show you the whole process you need to actually follow. So in order for you to actually listen to song with someone else using your Spotify account, you need to have a Spotify Premium account. You need to have subscribed to the Spotify Premium. You can only do that on your Spotify Premium account. So right here is the homepage of my Spotify Premium account. At the bottom of the screen right here, if you click on create like this, you're going to see the option of jam. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. That's actually the last option right here. The next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on it like this. So looking there, you can see where it says start new jam. So you need to go ahead and click on start new jam like this. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see the option of share link. So you just need to go ahead and click on copy like this and copy the link, or you can click on share like this and share it to your WhatsApp contacts or anybody that you want to listen to the music with on Spotify. Once you share that link with that person and that person click the link, it is actually going to direct that person to the Spotify app, and that person will be able to listen to the same song that you are listening to on your Spotify account. It's that simple. So this is how simple it is to listen to a song with someone on Spotify. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel. This is AppFix and Ends channel. See you in the next one.